What's up, guys? This is Josie from Tower Rock Campground. What's up? What's up? Hey, everybody. Josie here at Tower Rock Campground. We got a new toy. Big old camper trailer. A 1990 Gulfstream. Now that hazard tree was taken down that was threatening our campground, we moved the tent around, moved the van around. Got the trailer. God blessed us with this thing. It does need a little bit of work. It has some minor water damage. A couple boards that need to be replaced. But otherwise, it's in great, clean shape. We got it for $700. Dirt cheap. Comparable stuff we found online was like about $2,000. Around there. Give or take a few hundred. A little messy right now because we're cleaning and organizing into it. Got room for a queen size bed in here. A very clean, well sealed bathroom. Shower and everything. Don't have it on hookups yet. Waiting for a new breaker. Can't give you guys light quite yet. The van's in a new place right here. This is just temporary. But I actually have power run underground to the van, split off, going towards the tent. Today we're going to be stringing up lights and organizing the tent. Now that we have a trailer, we don't really need this for a kitchen. So we're going to be making a dedicated work storage. Sarah has her printer set up for all of her office work. Still has our fridge, and I think we're going to keep it here. Because the fridge in the trailer has a busted Freon pipe, which is not worth repairing. And there's going to be a big road closure preventing us from getting to the North Fork utility shed, which has all of our supplies, our weed whackers, our lawn mowers, spare forms, toilet paper, and all that. So for now, we're going to stock that tent up so that we can have a little bit of a buffer for us and Iron Creek Campground. Because those are the two campgrounds going to be affected by it. We can still get to North Fork, it's just this road closure makes it so we have to go about an hour and a half to 2 hours out of our way to get to it when it's right around the corner from us. She needs a lot of cleaning. We're going to be preemptively redoing all the seals in the windows. Every little piece of caulking is going to be done with outdoor top-of-line silicone. We've got Henry's roof paint we're going to put on top. This thing's going to be ready to roll. We'll do repairs on the inside gradually. After the seals are done, we're going to run an ozone generator. Kill off any mildew that's in there. What needs to be repaired is the kitchen side, and the ceiling has slight bubbling. Just got to take that wood off and replace it with new wood. Let all the pink insulation dry out. And then you can see the hole on the side that allowed water to get in around this area, which saturated this wall. So we're going to take this board and that board out and reseal the window with new wood. And at that point, it's in great shape. The water leak in the kitchen is actually caused by the air conditioner. We found out we just need to replace the gasket, so that's not hard. Just lift up the unit, put a gasket down, and reseal it. But for $700, my goodness, this thing is going to take us quite a ways. We're not sure if we're going to travel with it, get another truck and sell the van, or we might have the van repaired, or get a truck and some other trailer. And we'll leave this in somewhere. We have family in Longview. You have them up in Aberdeen, Washington. We have many options to put this place, or put this someplace. It's 7 in the morning and I just woke up, so pardon my slurs. But yeah, we're all excited about this. If we left it up here, it would make it so that we didn't have to drive up, saving us a lot of gas money. We would fly instead. That is if the price of plane tickets don't skyrocket with the gas cost. Which so far it hasn't. I just took a trip to see my little sister in Colorado. And it was $200 for a round trip ticket. And I scheduled the tickets 3 months in advance. Things are coming together at Camp Tower Rock. We look forward to seeing y'all. Reach out. If you ever want to have some free camping, come my way. We'd love to fellowship and talk about life. Love y'all. Have a good one.